Want to earn rewards by inviting friends to BingX? In 2026, the referral program makes it easy to share your invite link and potentially earn bonuses when new users join and train. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and look for the referral program, invite friends, or reward center section. Open it and you'll find your personal referral code and invite link. You can copy the link and share it through social media, messaging apps, email, or directly with friends and family. When someone signs up using a referral link and completes the required activities, such as registration, verification, or trading volume requirements, you may receive referral rewards depending on the current promotion. Referral bonuses and eligibility requirements can change over time, so it's always a good idea to review the latest program details inside the app. And that's how you invite friends on BingX in 2026. Share your referral link, help others get started with crypto, and you may earn rewards along the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.